When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade, dulls his clothes with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he gets baked in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away of the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Till this much paragraph we are going to take. Fine. So children, write it down. When at 4. When at 4. You will write down the questions. When, then we are having digging. First question, name the poem and its poet. Write down first question. Name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. Write down first question. Name the poem and its poet. Name the poem and its poet. At what time he come back from school? At what time he comes back from school? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, at 4 o'clock he come back from school.
Yes. He comes back from school at 4 o'clock. What did he see through the gate of his house? What did he see through the gate of his house?
And he see the gardener digging the ground.
Through the gate of his house.
मैम पैराग्राफ मैम कहाँ से शुरू करना है और कहाँ पे खत्म होगा?
Paragraph you will write when, then dash, 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 then digging.
When
Next. Why he wished to be a gardener? Why he wished to be a gardener? Why he wished to be a gardener?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes. Why did he wish to be a gardener? Speak up.
Ma'am, because he wished to be a gardener because he want to digging the ground and nobody can stop him.
Very good. Why did he wish to be a gardener? Because he was thinking that gardener enjoys digging soil and can dirty his clothes. Nobody is going to stop him. And he also want to get baked in the sun and be remain with the soil. Give homophones. Give homophones.
Ma'am, TO2, TWO2 and POO2.
For then we are having C.
I'm off.
Off. Then I. 2. Sun. Children, I'm rubbing the first question. Question 6. Find possessive adjectives. Yes, what are the possessive adjectives here? Possessive adjectives. Can you tell me, children? Possessive adjectives. What are the possessive adjectives here? Tell me. Possessive adjectives. Come on. Find possessive adjectives, children, and tell me. Yes, Chitra, speak up. Chitra, speak up.
Ma'am,
Tell possessive adjectives.
ma'am, the gardener.
The gardener is not the possessive adjective, beta.
Ma'am, his clothes.
Very good. His clothes and
His gate.
his clothes.
His
His
gate.
clothes.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Ma'am, his gate.
Where is his gate?
His
His
gate
spade.
is not written.
His spade. His clothes.
Ma'am, please.
Where
tell
is
the
his
question
gate,
number-
beta? I cannot see.
Ma'am, please.
Ma'am,
tell
his
the-
gate is not written. The gate is written.
Yes, so the gate is there. That is not a possessive adjective. Fine.
Ma'am, please tell the question number.
Give antonyms.
Ma'am, please tell the question number 2.
Can you speak louder, beta? I'm not getting your voice.
Ma'am, please tell the question number 2.
Question number 2.
Ma'am, question number 2 क्या था?
What was question number 2, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, what
Ma'am,
was
at
question
what
number
time
2?
he
Write in
comes
chat.
from school?
Give antonyms. Give antonyms. Can I rub the third one, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Give antonyms. Like,
Ma'am,
Like-
stop, start.
like. Tell me, children, like. Like. Nobody knows the antonym of like.
Ma'am, unlike. Ma'am, unlike.
Dislike. Nobody. Everybody.
Ma'am, crying, laughing.
Come. Go.
Ma'am,
Yes.
crying, laughing.
Back. Yes. Cry, laugh. Back. Front. Cry. Laugh.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, open, close.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Open,
question.
close. You have to search from this paragraph only.
ma'am, question number
Have to
3
search
क्या
from
है?
this paragraph only.
Ma'am, question number 3 क्या है?
Take. Give.
Ma'am, question number 3 क्या है?
Beta, write down in chat who has done question number 3. Write down in chat what was question
Ma'am,
number
question
3.
number ma'am, question number 3 क्या है? Question.
Ma'am, can I tell what is the question number 3?
Chitra, now it is visible. See,
Come on, come on.
Is it visible now? No?
Ma'am, now your left side is not visible.
Ma'am, cry is not written in this paragraph.
Cry is not in this paragraph, so you will not take cry. Now my board is visible to everyone? Full?
Yes, ma'am.
Homophones are not visible. Ma'am, what? Ma'am, question number 3 क्या है?
Ma'am, crying is in the paragraph.
Okay, fine. My board is visible to all?
Not from left side.
Yes, ma'am.
And left side.
Now?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
now visible.
Now it's
Okay.
Ma'am, question number 3 क्या है?
Beta, write down question number 3 in chat.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
who has
homophones
written?
are not through the gate of his house.
Please 5 minutes. So please,
Yes, I
the
can
home-
wait. No problem.